It also comes with a laptop that already has the software and driver pre-installed. Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Daisy, and today I'm so excited to show you a truly amazing tool that just arrived at my studio, the Lancelot A3 M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle. I honestly believe this is one of the best DTF printers out there for beginners. Why do I love it so much? Because it doesn't just print faster. We're talking twice the speed of many popular models. It also comes with a laptop that already has the softwares and drivers pre-installed. That means no tech headaches. Just plug it in, import your design, and start printing your custom t-shirt right away. Whether you're starting a small business, printing from home, or looking for a printer that can literally take care of itself while you're on vacation, this bundle might be the one you're looking for. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up, and we'll test it out with our first creative project. But first, before we get into the setup, I have to show you how it arrived because wow, it came packed in this super sturdy wooden crate. As I unboxed it, I honestly felt like I was in a movie. I really felt like I was opening a treasure chest. Everything was packed very securely, and to my surprise, it wasn't hard to open. The first thing I noticed was that it comes with its own curing oven. And pay attention here when you carefully remove it. You'll get a surprise because inside there's a laptop included. We'll take it out in a moment, but for now, I'm leaving it aside as we continue with the unboxing. It also comes with a roll of DTF film, large 17-ounce bottles of ink, plenty for many prints, 2-kilogram bags of adhesive powder, and all the accessories you need to start printing on day one. All designed to let you dive in without complications. And here's the start of the show, the printer. Its design is professional, sleek, and sturdy. You can tell it's built to last. It's heavy, which gives it a great stability while printing, something I value a lot. This printer is built for speed. It prints twice as fast as earlier models like the L1800 or the R1390. It also features an auto-film cutter. I love that. No need for scissors or extra steps. I'll show you that later. Another feature I love, the vacation mode. It auto-cleans when not in use, which helps preserve the print heads and save you maintenance trouble. It also includes white ink circulation and an improved fitting system that supports both pages and rolls without risking jams. It comes with a maintenance kit and is perfect for beginners, truly designed to help you get started without fear. Now that we unboxed everything, let's open the oven. And here comes one of my favorite parts. It includes a laptop with all the softwares and drivers already installed. Literally just connect it, import your design, and you're good to go. No tech headaches. Here it is. It also comes with a rechargeable wireless mouse. Both laptop and mouse come with their own charging cables, and this is the power cable for the oven. The laptop already comes loaded with the step-by-step tutorial videos, from unboxing and assembling each part to filling the ink tanks, and how to do your first print properly. Before starting installation, we're going to power on the laptop and watch all the videos in order. It's important to watch them first to understand the full process. Once we've watched them, we'll follow them exactly. I'll quickly show you how I did mine, but I always recommend you to follow the instructions on the laptop so you don't miss anything. Let's begin assembling. First, we're going to take out this little box from the front of the printer. It's for the ink tanks. Now we're going to remove this tape and the screws. and take off the metal plate that holds the carriage in place. There are two screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. This step is very important. Do not skip it. Next, let's move to the back of the printer and install the ink tanks. First, I'll place the waste ink tank box. Then we'll install the box for the ink tanks. Take the empty tanks out of the box. Find the screws in the upper back corner of the printer. Just loosen them. Don't remove them completely. Take all the ink tubes and pass them through the hole right here. Mount the ink tank box onto the screws and then tighten them to secure. Now let's insert tube number 5, green, from underneath, joining the other tubes. Then place the tanks and connect each tube to its matching color. Each tube is color-coded, so it's very easy. Black to black, cyan to cyan, magenta to magenta, and for white, connect both the white and the green tubes to the white tank. Make sure all the tubes are tightly connected. Next, connect these cables. My waste tank only had one hole for a tube, so I made a hole in the cap for the thicker waste ink tube, and problem solved. Now let's install the DTF film roll. Unscrew the two screws on each side. Place the clamps like this. Now we'll install the film holding tray. Remove these 3 screws and mount the tray. Then assemble the rod with the wheels that will hold the film roll. One improvement I love about this printer is its film fitting system. It can use both A3 or A4 sheets and DTF film rolls without worrying about jams. Make sure to load the film with the printable side facing up. Now lift the 3 front levers on the printer, then push the film forward and align it under the guides on both ends, ensuring it lays flat. Once aligned, tighten the screws on the roll holder rod. Start with the outer screws, then the center ones. Now install the front tray and connect the tray cables to the ones on the printer. Now let's check the tubes and cartridges. Start by unscrewing the cover, 2 screws per side. Then lift the protective cover. Turn this knob about 7 times counterclockwise. Then carefully slide the carriage to the front. Remove the screws on the right and take off the cover too. Make sure all the tubes are well connected and the cartridges are aligned. Now connect the power cable. And if you like, connect the USB to the laptop. Turn on the machine, then twist the red emergency stop button, and the printer will start moving the carriage and begin a cleaning cycle. Let it finish until it reaches 100%. Once that's done, we'll fill the ink tanks. Before filling, open the M1630 Pro driver to make sure it's connected. If the icon at the bottom left is red, it's not connected. If it's blue, it is. Shake the ink bottles before pouring and make sure you pour each color into the correct tank. The tank lids and bottle caps are both color-coded, white to white, and so on until all are full. Then check the alarm buttons. They won't go off if the tanks are filled. Now we'll load the ink using the driver. Again, check the bottom left icon if red is not connected. If blue, it is. Go to Settings, select Load Ink, choose H1 and press Start. As you can see, the cartridges are filling automatically. Super easy. You don't have to use syringes to do this process. Now, turn on the white ink circulation button and set it between 45 to 55. Then, perform a cleaning by clicking the cleaning icon, then H1. I didn't capture the sound, but the cleaning was completed. The screen shows it's ready. Back in the driver, press Status, and it will print a test pattern. If the lines are broken, repeat the cleaning. If they are solid, your printer is ready to start printing your first designs. To feed the paper forward, press the down arrow, and to cut it, just press this button. The machine will cut it automatically. Super easy, no scissors needed, and the cut is precise and straight. I really love this feature. Here is my first print. It looks perfect. Now let's start printing the first designs. Open the Color Box RIP software. Once it loads, log in and click New or press Ctrl N. In the Color Box canvas, you can change the language and units. I am switching to English and inches. You can also change the theme to light or dark. I prefer dark. Now I'll import the image I want to print. Now I'm going to upload the image I want to print. I'll click here where it says Add Photo. Open the folder where your design is saved, select it and open it. The design I'm using is in PNG format with a transparent background. Tap the plus button on the image from the bottom bar and it will appear on the canvas. We can resize it using the dots around the image or by entering the exact measurements in the bar on the right. A very important step is to mirror the image. To do this, select the image and click the icon in the upper right corner that says Flip Horizontal. Now it's in mirror mode. Next, I'm going to print it by clicking here where it says Print or pressing Ctrl P. Then select Print to Device. And that's it. We're printing with the new Lancelot M1630 Pro. Let me tell you, this printer is super fast. It prints with sharp, vibrant colors, and it also applies a white layer on top, making it perfect for customizing even dark colored garments. That's one of the biggest advantages of working with DTF technology. you're not limited to light-colored fabrics or polyester materials. You can customize on various types of fabric and even other surfaces, which I'll show you in a future video. And that's it. The printing is done. Now comes one of the most exciting parts, the automatic cutting. Just press the down arrow to feed the film forward, then push the cutting switch and done. Look how straight and easy it cuts the film. No scissors or trimmers needed. The print looks amazing. The colors are so vivid and bright. Now let's move on to the applying the DTF powder. Before that, I'll preheat the oven to 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 180 seconds. To apply the powder, I use a plastic container large enough to hold the design. Sprinkle a generous amount of DTF powder over the design, making sure it's evenly spread and fully covers the printed area. Shake off the excess powder. Now bake it at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 180 seconds so the adhesive powder melts properly. Let it cool completely before transferring it to your garment. I'm going to press this design onto a white cotton t-shirt and then I'll press another design onto a dark tote bag so you can see how both turn out. Before pressing, I'll clean the surface with a lint roller. Then press for 10 to 15 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Then I'll align the design, place a Teflon sheet on top and press at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. Once it is pressed, let it cool down completely before peeling off the film. While it cools, let's press the black tote bag following the exact same process. And here it is. I'll let this one cool. And now I'm going to peel the film off the t-shirt. Look how beautiful the print turned out. Let's place the same transparent film back over it, add the Teflon layer again, and press for another 10 seconds. And here are the final results. Two fully customized pieces using our new Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer. Just look at those vibrant, crisp colors with a professional finish. The best part, thanks to the white layer, we can apply design on both light and dark fabrics without losing quality. What I really want to highlight is that the entire process from unboxing to printing has been super easy and hassle-free. That's why I believe this printer is an excellent choice for both experts and beginners who want to confidently dive into the world of DTF printing. I'm so excited to keep exploring everything we can create with this amazing tool. And of course, I'll be sharing it all with you in upcoming videos. This is just the beginning. You'll find the link to this printer below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review and tutorial of the new Lancelot A3 M1630 Pro DTF printer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.